They call you AFAM. Oh, so I will be centralized in the whole municipality, Evans and Mira. Okay, so yung Mira, because her name is Mirasol. That's why it's Mira. Okay, so once again, good morning for this momentous event of Evans and Mira. Today is June 17, 2024. So we are lucky and thankful that the mayor, because yesterday was Father's Day, and there was a surprise from the children to Mayor De Jessica. Actually, at Discovery Samal. And yeah, he left the place and paid more than the regular fare just to be here. So with that, I would like to thank the mayor, and with this, can we have a round of applause for the mayor for coming here, even he's staying at Samal, Discovery Resort. Okay, so to start with, I would like to request Sister what? Aser, not sister. I'm sorry, but the instruction was sister. It's Sir Nasser for the opening prayer. Palego.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين صدق الله العظيم.
Thank you. I will take your seats first. So, okay. Mother, father, siblings, brothers and sisters. Okay, so kamu ang bubarog, no, for events. You don't mind me speaking to them. Okay. So, for Mirasol. Okay. For events, Mayor, I would like to take the opportunity to stand in behalf of events as a municipal civil registrar and to assure you that I have examined all pertinent documents. And Mayor, just to refresh your memory, he was there during the celebration of Independence Day, and he said to me, for this day, I am a Filipino. Okay? So, welcome to Municipality of Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. So, you are going to exchange your vows in accordance with civil wedding. So, in the Philippines, for now, we don't have divorce yet. Okay, so events under Republic Act 7160, the mayor is authorized to solemnize marriage even without seeking license to marry. Because automatically, once elected, the mayor is authorized to solemnize marriage in the municipality of Santo Tomas, of which this is his jurisdiction as municipal mayor, comprising 19 barangays. So in accordance with RA, Republic Act 7160, that's the authority of the mayor. And please do remember that we do not have divorce. Marriage in accordance with the family code is a permanent union between a man and a woman, entered into in accordance with law for the establishment of conjugal and family life. Okay, I know you're eager to start a family with your husband. Okay, because you're so eager to really have this marriage today. That's why I personally requested the mayor, even with the activities that he had before and even now, celebrating Father's Day yesterday. Okay, so we're going to go through the end of this. Even I informed you that there's no divorce in the Philippines. Yeah? Okay. So, Mayor, I would like to really assure the Mayor, considering that you're a foreigner, Evans, Mayor, he has executed affidavit in lieu of legal capacity with the presence of the attorney Hadrake, Samson Hadrake, right? Then he presented to the office certificate coming from the embassy, though the certificate expressed that the embassy has no responsibility whatsoever with the content of the certification. So, for me to be contented to mayor, to assure the mayor, that's why we have that affidavit in lieu of legal capacity to satisfy the requirements. So, are you ready? More than ready? Okay. So, Mayor, I would like to turn over to you with assurance that today, Evans Sene, and Mirasol Fuentes Abdullah has no legal impediment to conduct this marriage today, June 17, 2024. So, once again, welcome to the Philippines, Evans Sene. Nakapractice na dito Sene. Okay? So, Sene. So, I would like to present to you our solemnizing officer, no other than the Honorable Roland Sabulleros Desica, our municipal mayor in the municipality of Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, Philippines.
Good morning to everyone. Say one couple. Sir Evans Siri. Mirasol Sabdula. So are you ready to am I going to marry? Yes. So this time we start with the ceremony. To our beloved principal sponsor, here present, please answer the following question truthfully to the best knowledge you can give. Do you personally know the bride and the groom here present? Do you swear under the Philippine law that the bride and the groom had no impediment to the contract of marriage?
Yes.
Hindi mo gamay. To our dearly beloved Evans Sini and Mirasol Sabdula, here present to wish to contract marriage in accordance to the Family Code of the Philippines. Of I, which I'm Roland Desica, Municipal Mayor of Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, authorized by law to solemnize marriage in civil rights, will ask you to express your words truthfully to your dearly beloved partner.
Okay, right first, repeat after me, and please face your partner. Look into minutes. Okay. So you have to mention your name. I
I, Marisol,
came here
came here
of my own free will
to my own free will
to bind myself
to bind myself
in the love
in the love
and service
and service
of my
to
husband.
my husband.
I take
I take
his name
advance
here present
your present
for my lawful husband,
for my lawful husband,
and I give to him
and I give to him
as his lawful wife.
as his lawful.
Okay, your time events. Okay, repeat after me. I,
I,
your name,
Evans,
came here
came here
of my own free will
to my own free will
to bind myself
to bind myself
in the love
in the love
and
and
service
service
of my wife.
to my wife.
I take,
I take
who you're going to take,
Marisol,
here present
here present,
for my lawful wife,
from my lawful wife,
and I give to her
and I give to her
as her lawful
as a lawful
husband.
husband.
Okay, this time, we will hear a word from the mayor about the ring, the symbol of the ring, why there is such thing as ring during wedding. Okay?
The ring is a sign of pledge of mutual love and faithfulness. This love and faithfully are proclaimed by married people who proudly wear their wedding rings all throughout their lives.
Okay, group first. Okay. So, what do you call you? First name or your son? Mira. Okay. Reminding my name. Okay. While that ring, you have to face and look at her. Okay. Okay. Evens. Wear this ring. Okay. Mention the name.
There's a wear this ring
As a sign of my love
as a sign of my love
and loyalty
and loyalty
to you.
to you.
Okay. And Marisol, do the same. What do you call him? Mention the name.
Advance
Wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my love
of my love
and loyalty
and loyalty
to you.
to you.
Okay, bride and groom, joining your right hand. Good. And please closer, please. Closer. Okay. Repeat after me and louder that the mayor can hear. Okay, events?
Yes.
We hereby pledge
I hereby
To the
pledge
to be one heart
to be
to be
one
one
heart
heart
and one soul.
and one
one
soul.
soul
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better,
for better,
for worse,
for worse,
for richer,
for richer,
for
for
poorer,
poorer,
in
in
sickness
sickness,
and in health,
and in health,
until death
until death
do us part.
do us part.
So, please face the mayor.
Ano yun?
And I, Roland S. Jessica, by virtue of the authority vested on me as Municipal Mayor of Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, in the presence of your witnesses and all those present here, hereby join you in a lawful wedlock, proclaim you and husband and wife, and declare you're legally married. May you ever live in mutual love and unbroken loyalty, ever conscious of your love and responsibility for each other and to your family, your God, and your country. So, we sit down. I have a message, a little message. I saw you when we are celebrating the Independence Day in the municipal ground. You know, this many of yours are the memorable one. Even my capacity being a mayor, because this is the first time that I'm going to cut my activities there in Discovery Summer. Then Bella, then because I did not know that my kids surprised me to have an event there in Father's Day. That's why I agree, Ma'am Edelmira Ricto, when they asked me to have solemnize marriage this 17th of July. But I did not know my kids, they are booked there in Discovery Summer. Then I early woke up in the morning. It's not my daily routine, but I do wake up early because of this marriage. So because of the place of your wife is also the memorable one of mine, because that is the only barangay who first trust me to be to run, become a mayor, because their Kapitan Mira Puentes is the only Kapitan who is first trust me. Your reading now is very memorable one. You know, in the Philippines, we have traditional here that the husband is the one who do all the rest, all the responsibility, and they have more. You have the responsibility of the family through your wife. Then when we signed this contract, me and both of you, is the beginning that you are been convicted. You cannot you cannot go out this contract. Because the Philippines, the contract of marriage is no divorce. If ever you do, there's another expenses, more expensive, because almost 300 pesos, 300,000 pesos. But very difficult to process. And the importance of this marriage, both of you have love each other. Do you love your wife? So that is the important. I am older than you 1 year.
So, magbisaya na po ko ha. Na, duslit mo. Para kasabot po na yung atong mga bisita. Kaya isa naman siya. Sa tinod lang, katong naghahapon pa. Grabe dyan, gabi na ko nakainumdum na naaday ko'y commitment karon nga mag-atindog may kasal. Ay nagtawag naman si Ernie nga ngayon napakay kasal umang. Ha? Nakalimutan ko at one day set that tag alas 7 sa buntag kay napamanggo ko'y ugma na pod 6 o'clock kay mo out manggod ko karong 19 ang mag-Singapore ko mostong di early na mo no? Pero wala ko nakuan ako kabalo di nga nag-set day ko kuwade ako ang mga anak dito sa Amal sa Discovery sa Amal di pa po kay ilahaman tong inisip pero kuwan lang nakurat ko kay naman day ko schedule nga kasal niya kaganina buntag iligid ko ni mata pero na-late ya po ko sa speedboat kay kuan sharp mang giday sila alas 8 kanya kay nakakuan di ala 8 8:10 8:05 mga 8:05 wala na nakalagyan na ang kuan kanya kay gusto di ko gusto nga malipod kay kabalo ko early manggod ni sila ato ang guest early manggod kay sila sharp manggod ni sila ato ning kamot ko nga makaabot ko wala pa yung 10 so makaabot ko wala pa yung 10 nag special treat me sa kuan pabalik na mo ang speedboat para maka early lang yung kamot pero wala set na manggod I'm happy to say that this day I'm so happy because there's someone bound together. So sa imuhang mga relatives Mirasol happy ko sa inyong tanan yang mama ang son pila man mo kabuk kay opat asa man din mo ang son ani pwede na ko makita mga lalaki ay ikaw lang babae so happy kay ko sa inyo no? Nay nag-senior naman kayo no? Na-register ba ka sa kuwan? Kano sa imong birthday? Uy, hapit na. No, sige naman ni early, anyang hapon ganit, tuyok na po sa mga nag-birthday. No, kay katong ako promise sa una nga pag mag-birthday ang mga senior, offer ko okay na among ang kanang haranahan. So ang nahimo man guna sa Makati, no, cake lang ito ilang binahatag. So yun ko, Makati, pervasive man nga lugar. Sa Tomas, nagsugod pa lang. So kaya na siguro na ito, cupcake lang sa pero blessed po kayo, kaya ang ato ang mga bikiri din nag-offer po nga mo sponsor sila mo 50% lang mabayaran sa cake na akong yapag. So, muna nga masugod na nitong birthday good sa July. Nagsugod na nito ang happy po ko, kay happy po the good ang mga senior citizen na kanang aranahan. No? Imagine, mayor ang nag-arana, naghatag pag-gate, naghatag pag-grocery, nag-bike. So, enjoy yun kayo. So, Sabi mo na advance daan. Atit naman day, tunong pag-yun sa ating file. Hindi kami nasi. May taglisan mo muli, pagputo sa mo. So, ay, si Ma'am Idil, ako din yung kauban. Mga dagan po ni Kunsiyan. Okay, muli tayo ng mga pulis siya. So, ano akong kauban. Ano yung kalimti ha? Si Ma'am Idil. Niya, ako ang wife ko lang ako yung Mumbai. Wala ko nang kumpanya, napaibalo lang ko. So, karon nga adlaw, no? Mahinaot ko na malipayon si Evans o Mayra sa ang Balinyon. No? So, palihog, maglindo ka tanan.
Ay, even Tindog is stand.
Stand.
Tindog.
Tindog, sa English yan. Now that you are legally married, and I admonish you to remain faithful to one another as wife, you have to love your husband and be a good wife. And as a husband, you have to love your wife and be a good husband. So now you are totally married, and I welcome you to the club of no return. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mayor. Okay, so events today, and Mirasol at least face each other. And now you have, ladies and gentlemen, with the parents, visitors, the principal sponsors, we will now witness the first legal, take note events, first legal kiss of the newlywed couple. Okay? Events, wait, please. I have to count 1, 2, 3. After 3, then you have 2. Okay. Okay? Please show to us your first legal kiss, Evans and Mirasol. Wait.
Wait.
Now what you do to Mayor? Okay. Evans. 1, 2, 3.
You got one.
Okay, thank you. So congratulations and best wishes to both of you. So let's okay, round of applause to the newlywed couple. Okay. So once again, may I remind you, this is a permanent union, right? Okay. Just a reminder from the Philippines. Okay. So we would like to thank the mayor. Once again, a round of applause for the municipal mayor.